Okay, so you have clicked on this video by thinking that how you can make money with SaaS, that is SaaS. Before beginning, I want to let you know that this business model can make you tons of money, but considering that you can also lose money and it is a very difficult type of business and also requires a big investment. Now, it does not mean that this video would be worthless if you don't have money in your hand, because this video will help you increase your knowledge and build your business future goals. Means once you have money in your hand, you can start it. Until then, you can keep the knowledge in your mind, and that's not a bad idea, I guess. So let's begin this video. First of all, what is SaaS? Software as a service. All big blue chip corporations like Netflix, Spotify or Amazon Web Services are based on this business model. If you usually watch stuff like how to make money, drop shipping or networking, so big names in this industry like Iman Ghazi are also recently using this business model to build their net worth. And according to them, businesses like drop shipping have become old and outdated, so they have already left behind those businesses. Usually what big entrepreneurs do, like they leave the businesses which becomes quite famous and outdated, like they have become old, more than 10 years old. So they leave such businesses. They go into the businesses which are new and trending and they have huge demand and very less people know about this. So that's why I'm telling you that SaaS business could make you tons of money because it is in high demand and the supply is very less at the time. So it's obvious that you should build a SaaS business immediately, but it's not easily possible. So let me explain you how it works. As I already told, Netflix is a SaaS. Now, they solved a big problem of buying CDs and watching movies at home. Rather, they just starting streaming those stuff as an online service. In exchange to that, they charge us monthly or annually. Now, it is not possible to build something like Netflix so easily. So that's why in this further video, I'm going to tell you 3 steps which can help you build your SaaS business. So watch the whole video and do not skip any step because all these steps are very necessary to execute this business model. The first step is to find the problem in the market and also its solution. Now it completely depends on you that what type of market you want to look in. Like if you want to go with e-commerce, then you can find a service something like which provides trending products to the sellers, and they just buy those products and put their products on their website, so it will increase their sale. So that would be a good service. If you want to go with the marketing industry, so the biggest problem in marketing industry is that they don't get organic views. They are kind of paid views or something like that, you can say. So you can make Insta pages or content creation for big companies or businesses. In exchange to that, you can charge them some money, but you have to learn digital marketing, that how to grow their pages without advertisement, and it is really one of the most important thing in the marketing industry, and organic views are really costly. So I guess you can make tons of money with this stuff. In return, you will ask them money either in the monthly payment or you can have a one-time payment too. But you need to understand that you have to find a solution for an unsolved problem. Like if you are going with a solved problem, something like you are making something like Netflix or something like Spotify, so it is not going to make money because big firms are not going to let you come up and not going to make money. So there is only one option. You have to find an unsolved problem because then only the demand is possible. Step number 2, build the service. Now there are 3 options to build an application or a website for providing your service. You can either code the application by yourself if you know how to code. If you have a friend who can code, you can have 1:1 partnership with him, or you can hire a freelance programmer, but it would be really expensive. Go with the best option for you, but only go with the 3rd option if you have at least $10,000 liquid money in your hand. Now building apps take time. So the second step is really important and is going to be the main expense in your business. Now this step is last and it will determine how worthful your service is. If you have basic knowledge about advertising, like how to use Google ads or Facebook ads, or you can create content online for your business, then you can do it yourself. Otherwise, hire a freelance digital marketer. It will cost you a little bit more, but the things would be easily solved because he will handle everything for you. Secondly, at least reach to 1 million impression. Those of you who don't know what is impression, well, basically impression means that to how many people your ad would be shown. So at least keep a 1 million impression. The more the impression, the more will be the cost. But for a 1 million impression, it would be costing around $1,000. And once your app start to get fame and people start liking it and gossiping about it, then you would start to make tons of money. And maybe if your business starts to keep growing, then you can even become a millionaire with this business. Yeah, I know this stuff is not easy and it will take a lot of time. So as it is said, if you want something you have never got, you have to do something you have never done. If you want a more detailed video on this topic, just comment me down and I'll help you with that. There is an Instagram page below in the description. You can DM me there and I can teach you through Zoom meetings. If you think SaaS was a nice business, then also do check this SMMA. A lot of people had made millions with this business too. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe this channel.